What is going on, Duke Boy Nation? Your boy Nick Mac here, and we are on the road. We are headed to Minden Off-Road Park to meet up with no other than Julian from Adrenaline Junkies. Well, this is going to be my first time up north in the wintertime riding on the trails that are pretty treacherous in the summertime. So let's see how we make out, and I imagine it's going to be tons of fun. Here we are, Minden Off-Road Park, coming up in 800 meters. Not bad at all. I see Julian's truck. All right, so we got the machine unloaded. I'm already having problems with it going into reverse, so this is gonna be a good day. I have a feeling. All right, guys, here we go on a ride with the Adrenaline Junkies. Oh, and I just got roosted by a freaking Polaris. Uh-oh. Ice already. Oh, we made it. Julian's got the good camera out. Oh, like nothing. Those tires are awesome, man. I gotta get a pair. I'm not gonna make that corner. Oh, no problem. Oh, the four-seater cheater's having problems. Almost. Just beating on that poor Segway.
That's why I got it.
Back up here too now. Julian back there. Oh, there you go. Go, bro. Oh!
Need the winch. Oh man, that's some
Everybody made it through there. Now he wants to go up this rock face here. It looks like someone else tried there last night, but I don't think it's gonna make it. I thought I was gonna make it first try too. I'm not gonna make it up this.
Avoid this rock, obviously, but try to hit that same line.
Like go on an angle?
Kind of, but not really. Not towards Julian, but
No.
like,
Try to go that way?
yeah, a little bit, not much, because they will slide.
Yeah.
Just to avoid what you've already dug up.
Alright. Oh, almost!
Basically up. You popped up the ledge and you just sat on the top of the ledge.
It's probably the tires. Alright. Someone else want to try? Oh yeah. I need bigger tires.
Need bigger tires.
You need 35s.
Yeah. I don't know if they'll fit.
Might have to put some offset.
We can make it fit.
You gonna try it, Julian?
Almost.
Oh, that's the trick. Oh my lord, look at the ice. I have to get a run at it. Need some wheel speed. Holy, this is just one solid sheet of ice. Holy fuck. Got a Commander in front of us. I swear it's the same chassis as this. Oh, having problems? Uh-oh, that the first one to get stuck? Just had to commit. Oh, nice. It doesn't have the length. Oh, well, hello there. You want to show the Canam how it's done?
It's one of those things that takes full commitment, that one.
Yeah, it does. It looks like it, yeah.
It was easier yesterday to do it today. Like
Yeah.
everything was easier.
Yeah.
It's very.
It just takes one bad bounce, eh?
Wow. No. That was pretty awesome.
That was pretty cool though. sounded like passenger.
If not, then it's the dip. I think it's the dip.
Oh.
The clicky sound seems a little weird for an axle.
Yeah, just don't back up.
It only clicks in reverse. Yeah, it's dip, it's stuck in lock.
Just talking to this lady in front of me, and that Honda's got 36,000 kilometers on it. What's going on here? We got a traffic jam? Hey Julian, you can't park there! That is deep. Maybe if I had waders. We get another machine in here, we could probably winch them back. Let it out.
Maybe I'll go off the other radius arm.
Whoa, sulker.
Hey, I've already got wet boots. Okay, I'm on the root radius arm.
You want to try hooking another one up to it too?
Sure.
And pull him right back. He doesn't have a. Does he have a trailer hitch down there or anything?
No.
No.
Fuck, both my shoes are wet. God damn it.
Maybe pull it, put it on the cage.
I originally doubled.
There we go. Doesn't sound happy, but it's coming.
I'll get right to the toe.
I think you should be able to pull them out without you now.
Oh, there is a toe hook.
There's a tow hook? We can try with one.
Yep.
Hey Julian, this is a no parking zone, eh?
Yeah, I guess. Holy fuck no.
No, it dropped down pretty good.
We went through here, no problem.
Yeah, I don't remember it. I don't remember this much water being in there. But we have had a lot of rain and stuff lately too, right?
Maybe one of the machines on 35 got the trail.
Sounds like you gotta go to Life Outdoors and buy some snorkels. If I was wearing waders, baby.
You went down
I'll go
quick.
tell you how deep it is if that's what you want to know.
Well, I don't have waders. That was awesome.
I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win,
did ya?
not likely. I'll be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit crazy. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a word name. I just want to be famous, but I don't want that shit fame. No, I'm not
guys, I made an outro, but when I was editing, I looked at it and it looked like this. All right, guys, it's kind of dark out. So I'm gonna make an outro in the garage. I had a great time at Minden Off-Road Park with Julian. Special thanks to him for letting me join up and go for a ride with him. I also like to thank everybody else that was there. It was a real fun time. I met a lot of cool people. It was really good. I did leave like after that little bit of riding we did. Everybody kind of got separated and stuff happened. It was around like 4:30, I think, and I had to drive home. And I'm 2 hours away from Minden Off-Road Park, maybe 3. So I just I decided to pack up and come home. Good thing too, because this happened. The rims off to get the tires taken off, and look at that is not good. I'd just like to thank Julian again for letting me have this opportunity to come out and ride with him, and thanks to everybody else. And in my opinion, the trails in the wintertime are fun. The ice and stuff, the machines perform pretty well. But that being said, I gotta go because I got another project on the go here. And we got a new addition to DUKEBOYZ POWERSPORTS. Check her out. Got little Billy the bully. She's about to knock the bike off the bike stand right now. Hey, say hi. But yeah, she's she's almost 4 months old. 4-month-old bull terrier pup. We named her Billy. She's a female. I've had bull terriers in the past, but I've always had males. And I'm telling you, female's working out pretty good. So if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to subscribe, hit that like button, leave a comment, and follow us on Instagram. I do have a Facebook page started up. I think I'm gonna just I'm gonna put like upcoming rides that me and my buddies are going on. But yeah, I hope you have a great day and happy trails.